An old prophet with a heart full of hope, a silent prayer whispered in the darkness of the night. This is the story of Zakaria alayhi salam, the prophet of dua and miracles. Hazrat Zakaria alayhi salam was a noble prophet sent to guide Bani Israel. He was known for his devotion, sincerity, and constant worship of Allah. His story is preserved in the Quran as a lesson of hope and dua. Zakaria alayhi salam spent his life in prayer, serving in the house of Allah. He was also the caretaker of Maryam alayhi salam. He witnessed miracles, provisions coming to her from Allah. As old age approached, his strength began to fade. He had no heir, no child to continue the mission. In the silence, he raised his hands and made a silent, sincere dua. My Lord, grant me from yourself a good offspring. While he stood in prayer, the angels called out to him. Allah gave him glad tidings of a son named Yahya, a child pure, righteous, and chosen by Allah. Zakaria alayhi salam was amazed. How could this be? He was old and his wife was barren. But Allah said, "It is easy for me." Zakaria alayhi salam asked for a sign from Allah. He was told he could not speak for 3 days except through gestures. Yet his heart remained in constant remembrance of Allah. The story of Zakaria alayhi salam teaches the power of sincere dua. No matter the age, no matter the situation, Allah can do all things. Never lose hope, for Allah answers even the quietest prayers.